In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. And the best thing about this, I'm also going to show you guys at the end of this video how you can get millions of views on TikTok. So this video is all you need, guys, to grow your TikTok account. Let's get started right now. Okay, now let me open my phone and I'm gonna be showing guys steps you should do so that you can get 1000 TikTok followers. We started. Okay, now the first thing, guys, you need to do to get 1000 TikTok followers, like I said, I'm gonna be showing you how you can get millions of views on TikTok in this video. Now the first thing, guys, to get 1000 TikTok followers, as you can see, this is my TikTok account. Like I have multiple TikTok accounts. I just created this one like 5 minutes ago. This one, as you can see, so as you can see, I have only 61. So let's see how many followers I will have at the end of this video. This other account, as you can see, it has like 18,000 TikTok followers. Now here is exactly how you can get 1000 TikTok followers. Okay, of course you can get more if you do this multiple times. Okay, now let's start right now. I made this video like 1 year ago about how you can get 1000 TikTok followers. So a lot of you guys seem to like this video, so I was like, why not make a new update, because the video still works, but you can't get 1000, you only get like 200, 100. This video you will get 1000 TikTok followers. Now the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to search for this name. Let me switch to my other account. You want to search for the name that you are going to see in the screen right now. Okay, you are going to see a name. It's called Mohammed Meftool TikTok. Okay, it's called Mohammed Meftool. Let me just search for it. Yeah, this is the name. Okay, it's called Mohammed Meftool TikTok. You want to search for this name and then you want to open this profile. Okay, now you want to click on these 20 people that I am following. Okay, this is not like my previous video. As you can see, this video, it has like 900,000 views. This is an old method. Okay, the method that I'm showing you right now is a new method. Just follow the steps and you will see that, you will see, guys, what I'm talking about. Okay, now you want to click on these 20 following and you want to follow all these 20 people. Okay, you want to follow all these 20 people, and what you need to do, guys, next after you follow all these 20 people, let me do that right now. Now I'm actually unfollowing them because I followed them before. So this is how it will look, guys, after you click on my after you click on 20 people that I am following. This is how it will look. You want to follow all these people and you want to wait 10 seconds exactly. Okay, now a lot of people on my previous video, they say that you will the TikTok says you have to wait you receive a message that says you are following too fast. Now that message, because you are following too fast. Now if you want this to work, guys, you want to wait 20 seconds, no, I'm sorry, 10 seconds between following and unfollowing. Okay, you want to follow all these people and you want to wait 10 seconds and you want to unfollow them all. Okay, start from the top again. Unfollow, and you want to wait, like I said, 10 seconds, and do this as many times as you want. If TikTok blocks you, you will have to wait 24 hours. Okay, that's the problem, because you are following too fast. Do it slowly and you will get 1000 TikTok followers. Now let's go with millions of views. Now as you can see here, guys, I have millions of views on my TikTok accounts. As you can see, I'm just going to come to my TikTok and you will see that I have millions of views on my videos. And the reason, guys, why I have millions of views on my videos is because I try to keep people watching the video till the end. Because what happens when you post a video on TikTok, TikTok shows that video to 10 people, and if these 10 people watch your video till the end, TikTok will show it to 100. If these 100 watch your video till the end, TikTok will show it to 1000, and that's it. That's exactly how TikTok algorithm works. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click the video on the screen that will explain how you can get millions of views on TikTok. It explains every single thing and it shows like easy way to get millions of views. So make sure to drop a like on this video and make sure you click on the video on the screen right now, and you will be able to get millions of views on TikTok. So see you guys in the next video.